In today's episode, we are meal prepping anabolic beef chorizo. This chorizo is low in calories, high in protein, and will help you lose weight. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. And in this channel, I'm going to show you how to lose weight by eating low calorie, high protein meals and snacks. And we're also going to be doing anything else that's related to fitness. So if you're into those type of videos, please accept my invitation to subscribe so you will be the first to get notified every time we'll bring out a new recipe. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, this is how every single diet works, guys. And in order to lose the fat, all you have to do is be in a calorie deficit and eat enough protein so you won't lose muscle while you're losing the fat. And that is it. As for ingredients, guys, it could have oil, lard, butter, or sugar, or gluten, or chocolate, whatever. It doesn't matter. As long as you don't eat over your maintenance calories, you're not gonna gain any weight, no matter what you eat. Okay guys, for example, if your maintenance calories is 3,000 calories a day with 200 grams of protein, and one of my meals is say 500 calories with 50 grams of protein, you could eat 5 of those meals a day, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna hit your protein goal, and you're gonna be eating really good, man. Guys, if you don't know how many calories you need to lose weight, all you have to do is go to tdeecalculator.net, type your information there, and it should tell you more or less how many calories you need to lose weight. And that's it. I made this recipe before, but only made 1 pound. You know, it wasn't enough. So I made it the other day, and I was like, no way, it's a process to make. So I would make a lot of it, because every time I would make double, I would say the other time that I was gonna make double again. So the first time I made 1 pound, and I said I was gonna make double, and then I made 2 pounds, and then that time I was like, no way, I have to make double again. So because it's good, all right? So yeah, so you have to, I think 4 pounds is perfect, because 1 to 2 pounds, you're gonna fly through that, I swear. All right.
Well, I am known for my meat.
Okay guys, in this episode, we're helping you lose weight by meal prepping low calorie, high protein beef chorizo. All right guys, let's get going. Okay, first thing is first, let's get our food scale ready with the bowl. All right, let's go. For our first ingredient, we're gonna need 112 grams of California chili pods. All right, let's go. Okay, let's check it out. 70. No, I need this is meal prep. I needed 2 bags. All right, let's go. Remember, 112 grams. Okay, guys, I needed 2 bags because this is the meal prep one. Okay guys, all we gotta do is cut the stems out right here, through all of them, like that, and just take off all the seeds, okay? Don't forget to take off all the seeds. And we're gonna have to do that to all of them, okay? All right, let's go. Look at this, guys. It has a lot of seeds, right? And it's just 3 of them, so it's a lot. It's gonna be a lot of seeds. So get a trash bag ready so you can throw them away. Guys, don't forget that step to take all the seeds out and all the stems, because look at all that. And I threw some away already. So you don't want all that stuff going into the chorizo, okay guys? All right, let's get to the next step. Okay guys, we got our chilies right there. And we got them seedless, and we took off the stems. So okay, let's get to the next step. All right, for the next step, we get water and we just cover it up. And just keep filling it up until it gets covered for the chilies. For our next step, we're gonna let it boil in the stove for 5 minutes. All right, we'll see you guys in 5 minutes. All right, let's go. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. It's already bubbling and boiling. Okay, let's get to the next step. All right, let's go. For our next step, we're gonna transport our chilies to the blender, okay guys? Okay. Alrighty. And just make sure you get all the water out of there. Alright, let's get to the next. Okay guys, should look almost there, like 2/3 full. Okay, let's get to the next step. Alright, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 90 grams of vinegar apple cider. Remember guys, 90 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 90 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 4 teaspoons of salt. Remember guys, 4 teaspoons. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 4 teaspoons, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 8 tablespoons of paprika. Remember guys, 8 tablespoons. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, 8 tablespoons of paprika. Remember guys, 8. One. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of oregano. Remember guys, 2 tablespoons. Alright. Remember guys, 2 tablespoons, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of allspice. Remember guys, 1 teaspoon. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 1 teaspoon, okay, of allspice. Alright, let's get to the next step. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of whole cumin. Remember guys, 2 teaspoons, okay? Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 2 teaspoons, okay? Alright, let's get to the next step. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 4 bay leaves. Remember guys, 4 bay leaves. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 4 bay leaves, okay? Okay guys, for our last step, we're gonna need 90 grams of water from the boiling chilies. The ones we did earlier from the California pods. Remember guys, 90 grams of water. Alright, let's go. Here's 90, I already weighed out. Okay, and let's get to the last step. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, our last step is to blend it till everything turns into like a paste consistency. Okay guys, so keep blending it, and if you have to, you're probably gonna have to scrape the sides, but okay guys, let's get to blending. We are gonna have to blend this bad boy for like 3 to 5 minutes until it turns into a paste consistency. Okay guys, all right, keep blending until it's pasty. All right. Okay guys, that's how we are supposed to be looking at. Okay, let's get to the last step. All right, see you guys right now. Okay, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 4 pounds of 96% lean ground beef. Remember guys, 4 pounds, okay? All right, see you guys soon. This is what 4 pounds of lean ground beef looks like, or 1,792 grams, okay guys? All right, let's get to the next step. Okay guys, lastly, all we have to do is put our puree on top and mix it, and that's pretty much it. We're done making the chorizo, guys. All right, just mix it. Make sure you get everything in there. It's a lot of ground beef, guys. All right. Okay guys, all we gotta do is mix it well. I would suggest, if you don't have any gloves, to use a fork or something like that, because it's a lot of spice. Okay guys, all right, let's start mixing. Okay, all right, see you guys soon. Just keep mixing, okay guys, you're gonna take a while mixing this bad boy up, okay? But when you finish mixing, that's what it looked like. Chorizo right there. That is 100% chorizo, and it's low calories, high protein. Look at this bad boy right there. This thing weighs a ton. I had to take 2 breaks. No, but I had to mix it for like 10 minutes, guys. All right, just keep mixing it. If you have a hand mixer, use it. I have one too, but I just didn't want to do it. Okay guys, look at this meal prep anabolic beef chorizo. Okay, I put half a pound in each container, but I'm gonna tell you the macros for a quarter pound, okay guys, because that's one serving. So all right, let's go to the macros, guys. Okay guys, to the macros. If you guys only eat a quarter pound, which is one serving, it's only 170 calories, 25 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 0 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Guys, this beef chorizo is to die for. And we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with anabolic beef chorizo. Alright. Guys, I know you can love this chorizo, but I know one thing that you like more than this chorizo, and that's to lose weight while eating chorizo. Guys, you don't know how many times I had to redo my last take without laughing. Also guys, please comment below how much weight you guys started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll write to everyone back. Guys, these recipes do take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. If you do want to support the channel, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you guys want to make more of my recipes, check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright guys, remember, till next time, always try to subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out. Guys, I know you love this chorizo, but I know one thing that you like more than this chorizo, and that's losing weight while eating chorizo. Guys, make this chorizo. I know you love this chorizo, but I know one thing that you like more than this chorizo, and that's losing weight while eating chorizo.